In today's video, I'll show you how to spot trade on OKX app. First, open your OKX app. Once in, then click on the trade option at the bottom, and then click on this option at the top left. And then from there, select your preferred trading pair. For example, I'll go with BTC/USDT. You can tap the star icon to add it to your favorites. You can also view the chart here to analyze price trends before making a move. Now let's see how to buy crypto using spot trading. Make sure you're on the Buy tab and choose Limit Order if you want to set your own price. The red section shows sell orders, the green section shows buy orders, and the middle is the current market price. Enter your buy price, then enter the amount of crypto you want to purchase. You can also use the percentage slider to allocate funds quickly. And finally, tap on the Buy button. Your order will appear below under Open Orders. To cancel it, just tap Cancel. A few moments later, once your order is filled, it moves to Order History. Now let's sell some crypto. Switch to the Sell tab near to the Buy tab. And also, there choose Limit Order, set your sell price, and enter the amount of tokens you want to sell. Tap the Sell button, and just like before, your order will appear below. Wait for the market to hit your price, and it'll be sold automatically. To cancel, tap Cancel. And that's how you buy and sell crypto using spot trading on OKX. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.